back to my video, guys. So for today's video, punta kami ng swimming pool, guys. Hurry up dong, there's a car, hurry up. Follow me, Jed. Sa community pool namin, guys. Lapit lang sa bahay. Kasama ang friends ni Althea. Kahit mainit, patuloy lang, guys. Jed, going to the pool again.
We go in the pool like 5 times.
Tell them I know how to swim. Ay, you're dancing. Oh my goodness, Althea, you scared me.
This is okay. No one died. It's not broken.
Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye. This is Athena's, guys, friends. Athena and Althea. Almost same name. Yeah, Ate will help you. Hold on. So, maliit lang ang pool dito, guys, sa community namin. Ganito lang. So, dito may kainan rin, guys. Ganyan, dyan. Ang panglaro ng mga bata, guys, is nasira. Nasira yan.
It's not warm. It's alright. Okay, go.
Ted, I excited. Ted can swim now. So, he always telling me to go swim because this Ted can swim by himself, but Jed, he can swim, but sometimes he's scared.
Can you take off your shoes real quick?
Why?
To see if you're taller than her.
Ay, my goodness.
Oh, swim. She's taller than you.
Yeah, because I'm small.
She's 9 years old and you're 30.
But you know, I'm small, girl. It's not.
Eat broccoli.
What, Jed?
Eat broccoli.
I eat broccolis. I eat anything except Mexican food.
Fat. That's why.
I'm not fat, uy. My goodness, guys. Sinabihan akong fat.
Mom, can you help me?
Okay, Althea, come here for a while, nak. Can you help him, nak, please? I'm taking video.
Stand up.
Theodore. Okay, you can swim na. Yeah, you can swim na.
Got it? Can you help?
Okay, go. Don't be scared, Jed. You need to practice swimming, huh?
I'll practice swimming in 10 days.
10 days.
Yeah, no. I'm going.
I want you to jump. Come on, I'm taking video.
I to jump first. So I can go.
Okay.
I'm waiting.
Are you ready?
Dad, don't stop doing that. Yeah.
Tell me if you're hungry, huh? I have some food.
Ready? Okay.
Okay,
Dad,
go.
I'm not going. My pants.
You're good, my love.
Pants.
It's okay.
Pants go.
Ted,
Go under.
Go, Jed. Go, Jed. Sometimes si Jed, guys, is matatakot. Okay, come on. Okay, come on, hold
So
it.
to make
I will give this to Jed. Hold it, Jed. Okay, come on. No. Okay. Hold tight.
Bestie? Yeah, bestie means best friend.
Oh, okay.
Hey, my bestie.
You're my bestie.
He needs 10 because he called his friend Bestie. He's his friend.
Be, come on.
Best friend, Bestie.
Hold it. Hold lagi. Put him. Say hi, everyone.
Pew, pew, pew. I was so crazy. I'm not
You're
so
cold,
crazy.
oh.
I'm not that cool. Hey, hey, Momo. Momo.
Okay, go na.
Bye.
Swim, Theodore. Go to Ate Ted. Swim.
I know jackets.
Theodore, go to Altia. Stand up. You wait there, Tia. Get. Get, Tia.
Ready? Come on. Ready, Ted?
Swim, Ted.
No one. I'm going away. 3, 2, 1.
Good job, Theodore. Do it again. Wait there, Altia. Not far. Altia, not far. Go. Get him, Tia. Swim, Theodore. What happened? Okay, swim, be. Swim. Not far, Altia.
3, 2, 1.
Go, swim.
Go, Ted.
Good job.
Come on.
Don't stop, Theodore.
3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Good job, Ted.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19. Okay, 19 seconds. That was 18. Oh, whatever. You want to go back? No. Oh, yeah, sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Your brother knock.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
Follow, follow.
21.
Swim, Altia. Okay, go. Altia, your brother, Altia.
Stay here.
Okay, you need to wait to Ate. Be sure Ate is watching, ha?
Mommy. Mom,
Yes.
can I take off my visor?
No, you can't.
Mom.